Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 6. Reconnaissance of Sector 7 continues.
Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 8 of Operation Desert Vanguard.
Reconnaissance continues in Sector 9. Maintain full operational readiness. Vanguard 1, systematic reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 10. Vanguard Unit 1, systematic reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 11. Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 12 of Operation Desert Vanguard. Systematic reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 13. Reconnaissance continues. Sector 14. All systems nominal. Reconnaissance continues. Sector 16.
Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 17.
Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 18 of Operation Desert Vanguard. Copy. Sector 19 confirmed for reconnaissance. Tactical communication on sequence 20. Over. Sector 21. Reconnaissance continues. Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 22. Command, this is Recon 1. Systematic reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 23. Vanguard in Sector 24. All sensors are active.
Copy that. Continue systematic reconnaissance.
Reconnaissance of Sector 25. Operation Desert Vanguard continues. Reconnaissance in Sector 26 continues. Reconnaissance continues in Sector 27. Copy that. Moving to next waypoint. Systematic reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 28 of Operation Desert Vanguard. Systematic reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 29 of Operation Desert Vanguard. Reconnaissance continues into Sector 30. Operation Desert Vanguard. Vanguard, systematic reconnaissance continues in Sector 31. Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 32 of Operation Desert Vanguard. Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 34 of Operation Desert Vanguard. This is Vanguard 1. Recon complete. Proceeding to next sector. Vanguard Unit 36. Continue reconnaissance in Sector 36. Over. Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 37 of Operation Desert Vanguard. Reconnaissance complete in Sector 38. Moving to Sector 39. Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 40.
Systematic reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 39.
Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 41 of Operation Desert Vanguard. Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 42 of Operation Desert Vanguard. Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 43 of Operation Desert Vanguard. Reconnaissance of Sector 44 complete. Move to next objective. Reconnaissance continues, Sector 45.
Command, this is Recon 1. Systematic reconnaissance of Sector 46 continues.
Over. Vanguard to command. Reconnaissance of Sector 47 complete.
Commander, Sector 48 is clear. Reconnaissance complete.
Reconnaissance continues, investigating Sector 49 of Operation Desert Vanguard.
Reconnaissance continues, investigating Sector 50. Vanguard unit, systematic reconnaissance continues in Sector 51. Reconnaissance complete, moving to Sector 5-2. Sector 53 clear, reconnaissance complete. Sector 54, this is Vanguard 1. Systematic reconnaissance continues. Over. This is Desert Vanguard, approaching Sector 55. Reconnaissance ongoing. Reconnaissance continues, investigating Sector 56. Reconnaissance continues, investigating Sector 57 of Operation Desert Vanguard. Reconnaissance continues, investigating Sector 58 of Operation Desert Vanguard. Vanguard, reconnaissance continues, investigating Sector 59. Reconnaissance continues in Sector 60. All systems nominal. Reconnaissance continues, investigating Sector 61 of Operation Desert Vanguard. Reconnaissance continues in Sector 62. Reconnaissance continues in Sector 63. Operation Desert Vanguard.
Vanguard, continue systematic reconnaissance in Sector 64.
Reconnaissance continues, Sector 66 clear.
Command, this is Recon 1. Systematic reconnaissance continues, investigating Sector 65 of Operation Desert Vanguard.
This is Sector 68. Reconnaissance continues. Copy that. Moving to Waypoint Alpha. Reconnaissance of Sector 69 complete. Move to the next waypoint. Command, this is Recon 1. Moving into Sector 70 now. Over. Reconnaissance continues in Sector 71.
Reconnaissance of Sector 75 continues.
Sector 72, report in.
Reconnaissance continues.
Copy that. Stand by for further instructions. Sector 73. Reconnaissance complete. Reconnaissance continues, Sector 69. Reconnaissance continues in Sector 74.
Confirmed. Operation Desert Vanguard.
Reconnaissance continues, investigating Sector 76.
Scorpion 77, continue systematic reconnaissance of Sector 77. Copy. Recon of Sector 78 complete. Moving to next objective. Vanguard Unit 79 to command. Sector 79 reconnaissance complete. Moving to next objective. Reconnaissance continues in Sector 80. Copy that. Moving to waypoint. Reconnaissance of Sector 81 is complete. Reconnaissance continues in Sector 82. Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 83. Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 84 of Operation Desert Vanguard. Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 85. Sector 86, systematic reconnaissance continues. Reconnaissance complete, moving to Sector 87. Reconnaissance continues, Sector 88. We are continuing systematic reconnaissance. Investigating Sector 89. Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 90. Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 91 of Operation Desert Vanguard. Reconnaissance continues. Sector 92. All systems nominal. Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 93 of Operation Desert Vanguard. Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 94 of Operation Desert Vanguard. Reconnaissance continues in Sector 95. Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 96. Sector 97 of Operation Desert Vanguard. Systematic reconnaissance continues. Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 98 of Operation Desert Vanguard. Reconnaissance update. Sector 99, status green. Vanguard Unit 1. Reconnaissance continues in Sector 100. Scorpion 1, approaching objective. Reconnaissance active. Reconnaissance continues. Sector 102. All systems are nominal. Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 103 of Operation Desert Vanguard. Reconnaissance continues in Sector 104 of Operation Desert Vanguard. Reconnaissance continues, Sector 105. Copy that. Moving to Waypoint 2. Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 106. Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 107. Reconnaissance complete for Sector 1008. Moving to next objective. Investigating Sector 109 of Operation Desert Vanguard.
Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 110 of Operation Desert Vanguard.
Reconnaissance of Sector 111 is complete. Copy that. Moving to next objective. Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 112. Reconnaissance complete. Sector 113. All clear. Copy that. Recon unit is approaching Sector 114. Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 115 of Operation Desert Vanguard. Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 116. Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 117 of Operation Desert Vanguard. Sector 118 reconnaissance is complete. Proceed to next objective. Reconnaissance update. Moving into Sector 119. Reconnaissance of Sector 120 is complete.
Copy that. Moving to next objective.
Reconnaissance continues, investigating Sector 121 of Operation Desert Vanguard.
Reconnaissance continues in Sector 122.
Confirming all sensor readings.
Vanguard 1, systematic reconnaissance continues.
Investigating Sector 123 of Operation Desert Vanguard.
Reconnaissance continues, investigating Sector 124 of Operation Desert Vanguard. Reconnaissance continues, Sector 125 clear. Reconnaissance continues, investigating Sector 126 of Operation Desert Vanguard. Reconnaissance continues in Sector 127.
Copy that. Moving to next waypoint.
Reconnaissance complete for Sector 128. Moving to next objective. Reconnaissance continues in Sector 129 of Operation Desert Vanguard. Reconnaissance continues in Sector 130 of Operation Desert Vanguard. Reconnaissance continues, investigating Sector 131.
Copy that. Proceed with caution.
Reconnaissance continues, Sector 132.
Copy that. Moving into target area.
Reconnaissance continues, investigating Sector 133. Vanguard to command. Systematic reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 134.
Vanguard 1 to command. Systematic reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 135.
Reconnaissance continues in Sector 137. Investigating Sector 136, Operation Desert Vanguard. Command, this is Vanguard. Systematic reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 138 of Operation Desert Vanguard. Reconnaissance is complete. Moving to Sector 139. Command, this is Recon 1. Sector 140 clear. Proceeding as planned.
Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 141. Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 142 of Operation Desert Vanguard.
Reconnaissance complete for Sector 143. Move to Objective Bravo. Reconnaissance continues. Sector 144 of Operation Desert Vanguard.
This is Sector 145. Recon continues.
Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 146. Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 147. Reconnaissance confirms Sector 148 is clear. Move to objective. Reconnaissance continues. Investigating Sector 149 of Operation Desert Vanguard. Reconnaissance continues in Sector 150 of Operation Desert Vanguard. Reconnaissance of Sector 149, Operation Desert Vanguard, continues. Reconnaissance continues in Sector 150.